I thought I'd show you how you can do some advanced searching using some hidden filters and Boolean logic that will work even on a free account, a free LinkedIn account. Because searches are limited on a free account to about 40 before it starts graying out results. So one of the search filters you can use is headline. So if I use headline and I look for LinkedIn, and I did people, and I did connections, I get 105 results. So I get LinkedIn trainers like Jeff Young and Leah Turner who've got LinkedIn in their profile, but I also get Andreas Johnson and Juan who head up Shield, which is a LinkedIn Analytics Google Chrome extension. So if I wanted to remove them, I've got Andreas has got LinkedIn Analytics in his headline, and so has Juan. So I could go and not headline and analytics, and it brings it down to 100. So all the analytics people. And then if I go through, I've got Chan Kit there, who's a chemical engineer, must have LinkedIn in his profile, in his headline. So I can now look for people who have a skill. So I can use the skills filter of coaching or skills training. I can put that in brackets. Brings it down to 65 results. So they're all social media trainer, LinkedIn strategy, LinkedIn unlocker. Oh, I've got Leah, who specializes in Norway at video sales training. She's not specifically a LinkedIn coach, so I could remove her. So I've got 65 results, and I can go and not headline video. 61. So I've taken out the video training people. So yeah, I've got Jeff Young, Greg Cooper, Sarah Clay, Kenneth Lang, Mac. So these are all they're all LinkedIn trainers, Brenda Muller, Richard van der Bloom. So I've got a very targeted list there of LinkedIn trainers who have LinkedIn in their headline, their coaches or trainers, and I've got a list of 61 results. Hope that helps.